children, now next we will use that how microorganisms they are responsible for producing the antibiotics. And what are antibiotics? Antibiotics, these are the chemical substances which are produced by the microorganisms. See, chemical substances produced by the microorganisms, okay, which are responsible for killing the another kind of, means the other group of the microorganisms. So let's discuss in detail antibiotics. Here the anti means against and bio. Bio means the life, okay, bio life, and anti means against, so it becomes against life. But against life for what? Against life for disease causing microorganisms, not for human beings. For human beings they act as pro-life. They act as pro-life for human beings. Now antibiotics, they were discovered, means the first antibiotic, that is penicillin, it was discovered by Alexander Fleming. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming. From which microorganism? That is a mold, Penicillium notatum. It is a mold, means fungi. Okay, now let's discuss that how he discovered this. It is a very interesting fact that how he discovered the penicillium. When he was performing an experiment during which he cultured the Staphylococci bacteria. While culturing the Staphylococci bacteria, what happened? That in one portion, what happened? This mold, it grows. So the reason where this mold that was growing on that portion, the bacteria, it was not present. Okay, it means this mold, it is responsible for killing the Staphylococci bacteria. Then he examined that actually this mold, it was secreting the chemical substance, and this chemical substance, it was responsible for killing the Staphylococci bacteria, and that was the reason that where the mold that was present, in that region the bacteria that was not present. So later on he concluded that this mold that was actually Penicillium notatum, and this Penicillium notatum, it was secreting the penicillin. Okay, the chemical substance which was producing by the Penicillium notatum, later on that chemical substance it named as penicillin. So in this manner the first antibiotic that was discovered by the Alexander Fleming. But later on the full potential of the penicillin that was discovered by Ernest Chain and Howard Florey. And later on these three scientists, they got Nobel Prize for their work. Even during the World War II, the American soldiers, they were treated by these antibiotics. So now we will discuss some more antibiotics and their source.
Now children, here in this table you can see that the different microorganisms that are given which act as a source for producing the chemical substances known as antibiotics. Like first is Bacillus subtilis, which produce the bacitracin. Bacillus polymyxa produce polymyxin. Streptomyces nodosus, they produce amphotericin B. Streptomyces venezuela, they produce chloramphenicol. Streptomyces aureofaciens, they produce tetracycline and chlorotetracycline. Streptomyces erythros, they produce erythromycin. Streptomyces griseus, they produce streptomycin. Micromonospora purpura, they produce gentamicin. Cephalosporium species, they produce cephalothin. Penicillium griseofulvum, they produce grysofulvin. And Penicillium notatum, they produce penicillin.